Hello students, today's lecture will be of 3A. Okay, there has given that in that questions two equation. After solving two equation you will find the coordinate. After that you have to find the area also on y-axis and on x-axis. Okay, so in the question number 12, solve each of the following equation system of equation graphically and find the vertices and area triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. Okay, so then the first question, exercise 3A, question number 12. It's important question. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and other equation x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Dear students, that is given the two equation. So you have to find first of all that equation 2x is equal to, you ट्रांसपोज these both, इन दोनों को साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो माइनस 3y प्लस 4 माइनस 4 एंड देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 3y minus 4 divided by 2. Clear students? So now here in the previous lecture I have told, first of all you will find the value of, you let y is equal to, so then for the point A point के लिए, okay, first of all we consider if y is equal to ऐसा वैल्यू लेंगे जो 2 से डिवाइड भी हो जाए सॉल्व होने के बाद. तो अगर 1 लेते हैं तो फिर ये डिवाइड नहीं होगा. ओके, सो यू विल राइट द 2, y is equal to 2. नाउ यू पुट द वैल्यू हियर, x is equal to 3 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2, then it will be 6 minus 4 upon 2, then 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. And now here you make to find the coordinate, then that is the x, that is the y, point A, point B. Yes students, in this way if y is equal to 2, then value of x is equal to 1. Same for the point B. For the point B के लिए next we will consider if y is equal to, यदि y बराबर हम कुछ भी कंसीडर करेंगे. ओके, तो if y is equal to, अगर हम यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं 3, तो 9 में से 4 गया 5, जो कि 2 से कटेगा नहीं, डेसिमल में आ जाएगा, हमें डेसिमल में नहीं लाना है. ओके, सो यू विल राइट 4, y is equal to 4, तो देन x is equal to 3 into 4 minus 4 divided by 2. Then students, x is equal to, यहीं पे लिखेंगे इसी के नीचे, x is equal to 3 into 4 minus 4 upon 2, यानी 12 minus 4 upon 2, यानी 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Yes students, so if you write y is equal to 4, then x also you get 4. Clear? Now for the second equation, same way also you will find for second equation. सेकेंड इक्वेशन के लिए भी हम दो पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे, पॉइंट P एंड पॉइंट Q। क्लियर? तो नाउ आफ्टर दैट अब इसे इरेज करके हम इसे हम लाते हैं। ओके, दैट विल बी x प्लस 2y माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0। देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू, ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे इन दोनों को, तो माइनस 5 देयर विल गो प्लस 5 और प्लस 2y माइनस 2y। क्लियर? अब इसमें हम लिखेंगे फॉर the point A, P, for the point P पॉइंट के लिए, इस पॉइंट के लिए, for the point P के लिए अगर हम मानते हैं if y is equal to 2, if y is equal to 2, तो then x is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1। Yes students, तो अगर हम y बराबर 2 लेते हैं तो x की वैल्यू 1 here also get, यहाँ भी आ गया। फिर for the point Q, for the point Q के लिए भी मान लेंगे if y is equal to हम y की जगह अगर ले लेते हैं 3, अंडरस्टूड? तो देन x is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3, 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1। अगर हम y बराबर 3 लेते हैं तो x की वैल्यू -1। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग टू फाइंड टू पॉइंट A, B, P and Q, you will draw the graph line। okay, after drawing the graph line here, then the x dash, y and y dash, it is a positive, it is a negative, that also positive and that is negative। Yes friends, after doing this you will, the x-axis and y-axis both intersect at a point, that point we say the origin। okay, we denote it with O and its coordinate will be 0 and 0। इसका जो कोऑर्डिनेट होता है 0 और 0 होता है। नाउ हियर द +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, there the negative -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, clear? There -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6, further there also +1 +2 +3 +4 +5। Yes students, now you will draw the point A and coordinate point A। तो then here is separate, you write A का coordinate। तो then students you listen again। First of all, point A, point B, first you join, draw the line। okay, now point P is there, that is a common P also here, and Q is there, again you draw the line, that's PQ। then both make a triangle on the x-axis, x-axis पर ये triangle बना, clear? that triangle, that's area you have to find. So then area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So then base will be, you will count from there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that's 7. And now height, that is the 0, 2 here 1 and that is the 2. ये इसकी हाइट जो होगी 2 होगी, ये जो हाइट होगी that will be 2 unit. इस तरह से 2 and 2 reduce, finally you will get 7 unit square. That's area. Dear students, in this way you will solve all the sums.